The chords of the right hand, the full octave chords, may be broken in ascending or descending order. Applying this to Hymn, My Jesus, I Love Thee, on page 5, our full octave chords were these. And what we do is, rather than playing the solid chord, we will play them, for this time, in descending 16th notes. Now there where we had a half note, we will avoid coming back to the melody note. So we just keep alternating in any passage, any style we would like, in the bottom notes. When we have an eighth note, we just play a broken octave. We can play a little extra flourish there for the cadence and rest. I want to emphasize that top note all the time. It's our main melody note. So with the left hand, we can also play it in the ascending order.